problem here is to calculate the time period of oscillations of this simple pendulum. That's why we need a stopwatch to calculate the time period. Okay, after you mark the equilibrium position, all set up, then you give a little distance or displacement to our pendulum, okay, and let it go. You start your stopwatch when this pendulum passes for the first time on its equilibrium position. For example, you take a little bit there and then you start the stopwatch. Have a look. And you count 20 oscillations. Suppose these 20 oscillations are finished, then you stop the stopwatch. Then how to calculate the time period is the time after 20 oscillations on your stopwatch. Look at it, then divide by 20. That is your time period. For example, you get 40 seconds to do 20 oscillations. If you divide it by 20, it means you get 40 divided by 20 and you get 2 seconds as your time period. That is for the 50 centimeters pendulum. Then you carry on until 51st, 60, 70, and last will be 80, and then all instructions are onto Google Classroom in PDF format. That's all. Thank you very much.